Welcome to another food review. This product is really good. I know this name is said many different ways, RAO'S, Ross, but they're legendary in New York for their food, and now they have it in frozen food. It's really good, and they make it in this 8-ounce portion, or they have like a family portion, but it's really easy. That's their chicken parmesan. I buy this all the time. Let me open it and then I'll microwave it. So that's what the product looks like. It's frozen. So you have the chicken parmesan in there, and you have the spaghetti. So you just put this in the microwave for 3 minutes, and I'll do that and show you. But this is definitely a product that's worth buying if you can get it in your country. But it should be available in United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. I'm not sure about other parts, but let me throw that in the microwave and then I'll show you. So right now I have that in the microwave. As soon as it comes out, I'll let you know. Here's a quick snapshot of that. You can pause it. Over 120 years in the making. Like I said, I love this company. And this is what you could do. You could do it in the oven. But they're definitely known for their product, 1896. And it takes like a year to get into the restaurant. So we'll have about maybe 2 minutes left on that microwave cook, and I'll be back to you. But like I said, I'll be bringing you many food reviews so you can see different products that's out there. All right, so there's the product when it's done. Look how good that is. You got the chicken parm, and look, you got that nice spaghetti. Sorry that this is turning, but look at the rich color in there, and the cheese, and the spaghetti. So you definitely can't go wrong. This is not a sponsored video. This is just a food review. But you can definitely get the taste of that. So thanks for being part of this food review. Be bringing you many more products, and talk to you later. Love you. Bye-bye.